Welcome to a new episode of Shadowing Pills, the only place where you can practice while reading interesting topics. Today's episode is The Power of Micro Habits. Micro habits are tiny actions that take less than a minute to complete, but they can create remarkable long-term changes. The secret behind micro habits is that they are so small, your brain doesn't resist them. Starting feels easy, and because they require almost no effort, you can repeat them consistently. For example, reading just one paragraph a day can eventually lead to finishing multiple books in a year. Doing one push-up every morning can grow into a consistent workout routine. Writing a single sentence can evolve into a daily journaling habit. The goal isn't the task itself, it's building the identity of someone who shows up every day. Micro habits work because they create momentum. When you complete a small action, your brain releases a sense of reward that motivates you to continue. Over time, these tiny steps compound and lead to results that feel surprisingly big. Another benefit is that micro habits bypass perfectionism. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment or ideal conditions. You just take a small step, and that small step keeps the door open for bigger actions later. When you combine consistency with small effort, you develop discipline without stress. Micro habits help you grow steadily, 1 minute at a time. And that was the topic for this shadowing pill. Subscribe and turn on notifications to receive your next shadowing dose. See you next time.